Turn on at 8 seconds. Blue and red light appeared at duo. Then search your phone for Jabber Duo. Pair. Then play music. Then, music share natin siya. Just press the minus button in 2 seconds. 1, 2. Blue and red light appeared. Then, for Jabber J for Ultra, just press the minus button in 2 seconds. Blue and red light. Once blue light appeared, meaning music sharing successful on both units. For pause and play, just press the power button. Quick press lang po tayo sa power button pag mag-play and magpo-pause ng music. Easily music shared for Jabber Duo and Jabber J for Ultra.